Welcome to Mrs. Sou's Math World. This time we are going to discuss the interquartile range. So you may wonder why we need to learn it. For example, if you see these two sets of data, you both have the same range because minimum value and maximum value, they are the same. But of course this one is more crowded, which is less diverse. This one is more separate, more diverse. So we need another math tool to help us, which is called interquartile range. So for the way that we discuss this one will be done in a math lesson. But let's look at the concept. For the data, that means we have we do it in ascending order first. Okay, and then if you remember, we have learned a thing called median. In the median means the data in the middle. For example, we've got some data on the left, some data on the right. Okay, if it is in the middle, then it is a median, right? If you don't have the middle, then you can take half and divide by 2. Then we also split it into another part, smaller parts. Okay, so please be bear in mind that the one in the middle will not be used for the calculation for lower quartile and upper quartile of data. So we will use these, we cut these into smaller parts to do calculation. We will discuss in detail. Okay, then for lower quartile, it is the middle of the lower part. And upper quartile will be the middle. It may call median, right? Median of median, anyway, of the upper half. So this is called upper quartile, as you can see in the notes here. Okay, lower quartile and upper quartile here. And the middle one, then we call it as median. The interquartile range is defined by this length. And in math term, we write it as upper quartile Q3 minus lower quartile Q1. Okay, let me repeat. Interquartile range means this interval, which is upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So this one we also have the way to do it for group data and ungrouped data. Alright, so we will use it for grouped data first because it is easier to calculate. So please look at page 9.5. So please study the question. Right. So and we do it for group data, that means this one is a cumulative frequency polygon. Then we are able to find the 3 important data, which is lower quartile, upper quartile, and also the median. So this one called median. So let's find it one by one. So for the median, it is in the middle of the people, right? So for cumulative frequency polygon, we just look at total number of people divided by 2. That means median is the 40th data. So we always need to do 2 steps when we want to find the median or interquartile range whatsoever. So step 1, starting from the y coordinates, draw a line to the right hand side until you touch the green line. Step 1. Step 2, go downwards. And then until you get the x coordinate. So this time it is 30. And step 1 and step 2. Then you can find out the median to be 30. Step 1 here and step 2 here, remember. Alright. So, we've done for it. For lower quartile, it means we have the half of the which is total 80, right? Total 80 times 25%, which is 20th data. So we start from the 20th, and then we draw a line against that one until we touch the green line, and then go downwards. Okay. Then each small interval is 2, that means it is 2 intervals, that means it should be 16. So therefore, the lower quartile is 16. Q1. So median Q2. Then for Q3 means the half of the upper. 40 to 80 is the upper part. Then the middle one is 60. So we choose the 60 data, and then this is upper quartile. I mean the 60th data. But when we time the upper quartile, don't forget to do the 2 steps thing. Step 1 goes to the line, and then step 2 goes to the x coordinate, so you get 50. So here it is, the result. So after that, the lower quartile and the upper quartile can help us to find the interquartile range. So I also want to show you the meaning in the graph. Okay. So this one is the interquartile range, not the one in y coordinate. It should be the one in x coordinate. So this is the interquartile range when you look at the graph. As a result, you can see 34 as the answer. 50 minus 16 becomes 34. So I would like to discuss one more thing. So right now we know how to find the lower quartile, median, and upper quartile of the data by looking at the cumulative frequency polygon. But this time I want to discuss how to find the range of it. Okay, range is maximum here, and then minus the minimum. So for the maximum, that means this one is a maximum. Greatest value, the number of people representing the greatest value. Then it can goes to the x coordinate. Then the maximum age is 80. And the minimum one, you will get 0. So this time, the range will be $80 minus 0 and becomes 80 again. So basically, this is the way of finding the 5 most important data in statistics. So, this is the end of this part of Mr. Xiao's Math World. See you next time!